suck.
Who's next?
Me.
You want to take this with you? How cold is strapping on?
I'm gonna take my shoes off. Is it on, Corey?
Huh?
Is it on?
It is on.
Okay.
We're filming everything out in front of you.
Okay.
So you want to film yourself?
I definitely had it like zoomed in on my face.
There you go.
Go, I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm trying. Ah, no! Okay, 1, 2, ah! Here.
She went out far. Alright.
No, go forward.
Why?
I can just, where that leaf is, jump right in front of that.
I can jump from here.
Yeah, because like I
All right.
got this side. That's why I took my hand out.
Here, I got you.
There
You got it? You got it? All right. It does feel good. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, he didn't jump with it?
He's probably got like 10 videos of him jumping in. Do they need help over there?
I think you may possibly.
I'll go home.
You don't want to do it?
Are you jumping?
No.
With your phone? Don't lose it.
Wait, it's waterproof? Yeah. What the?
Don't mess up.
Yeah, that's so dangerous. I thought hers was waterproof.
Okay, I don't think it's that waterproof.
I was scared that I went too far.
Here, let me take one so I can send it to Christian too.
Oh yeah.
Say hi, Christian.
I have to listen.
Oh yeah, yeah.